Alright, so you are excited to try out the brand new Windows 11 that just launched. You check the system requirement and hold up, TPM, what's that? What is TPM? Why do I need it? Well, you came to the right place. Welcome to Techplained. Hello everyone, and today I will explain about the thing that people have been talking about this past week. In this video, you'll learn what is TPM and why Windows 11 requires it to work. So let's get started. So now you might have heard that Microsoft requires you to have TPM to install Windows 11. Well, what is it? TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It is a chip that is either integrated into your motherboard or added separately into the CPU. TPM is a secure crypto processor that secures a computer via integrated cryptographic key. TPMs work by offering hardware level protection instead of software only, which is obviously better. It can be used to encrypt this using Windows feature like BitBlocker, or to prevent dictionary attacks against password and attacks from piracy, etc. Not only security system, programs like Outlook, Firefox, and Chrome also use TPM. Now there are two revisions of TPM. The older one, called TPM 1.2, is released back in 2011. Meanwhile, TPM 2.0, which we'll need for Windows 11, is released in 2014. So technically every PC that is built after 2015 should have this. But some might be disabled, which we'll need to enable later. The real question is, why do we need TPM to run Windows 11? Why is it such a big deal now, even though it existed 10 years ago? Well, Windows 7 and Windows 10 both already have extensive support for TPM. Security features at the operating system level also already make use of TPMs, like Windows Hello feature in newer laptops. TPMs are efficient alternatives to older methods of securing Windows PCs. In fact, since July 2016, Microsoft actually required TPM 2.0 support on all new PCs that run any version of Windows 10. But why is booming now? Microsoft made it a big deal for security reasons, as Windows 11 is promised to offer better security. This is especially important in the enterprise or business world, as losing data could be a big problem. So the reason Microsoft is doing this is to protect the user, even though it did create a lot of confusion and inconvenience. Now don't worry, I will show you how to check if your PC have TPM or not. There are a lot of ways to check if your PC have TPM. The first one, and probably easiest for non-tech savvy, is to run tpm.msc. All you need to do is bring up the run dialog with Windows plus R and type tpm.msc and click OK. Then a window should pop up and now you can see if your PC have TPM. Now the second way is harder, as you need to go to the BIOS. All you need to do is turn off your PC or restart if you already have it on, and spam delete when you boot up. Now you should be in the BIOS setting. Keep in mind all BIOS are different, but you need to go to security and click trusted computing. Now you should see the option to enable if you have TPM. If not, then I'm sorry, you don't. Alright, that's all the knowledge for today. I hope this video can help you understand more about TPM and why it's important for Windows 11. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Come back next week for more knowledge about tech and subscribe so you won't miss it. Alright, I'm Haris from TechCoach and peace out.